This is one of our oldest queens. It's a blue queen, not just a recently marked blue queen, but a blue queen last time it was marked. So I see a queen cell here. So that would make the queen very old. So is this supersedure? Because there is plenty of eggs here. So, and this queen cell is getting plenty of attention. You can see the queen cell here. It's getting lots of attention. Right. And it's been thinned down at the top. So that would indicate that it's not far off hatching. Now, I think she's been superseded. I'm not going to knock down any queen cells. I'm just going to let nature take its course. I think it's best to let nature take its course. I mean, there's slabs of brood. Nothing untoward, no disease, no nothing. So I think I'm letting nature take its course. Personally, I think what beekeepers can do sometimes is just overmanage their hives and don't let nature take its course. I think in this case we must let nature take its course. Most definitely. Plenty of eggs, plenty of larvae. I had to slow down this video to show you the queen. If you look towards the left hand side of the screen, somewhat near the top, you'll see a bee, a larger bee with long wings, and she's got a blue dot on her thorax. The blue dot isn't that clear at the moment, but it will become clear. This is the queen of this hive. Although she may be superseded because there are other queen cells in here, her workers, her daughters, may find her too old and they're looking for a new queen, hence the new queen cells. Her daughters attend to her every need, from cleaning to feeding. What I did was, I harvested one of these queen cells for a nook to the right of me, which had a virgin queen, an unmated queen, and it's been unmated for quite a few days, and she's not successful in getting mated, so that's okay. Again, eggs this far out, I'm more than happy with that. So I think what I'll do here is I'll consolidate everything back up. Don't want to crush any bees in between these lugs here. And they're very, very nice bees. It's a very busy hive too. I think what I'll do is I'll put this frame in here. Don't want to crush any bees. we go. This will be left well alone now for 4 weeks, see what happens. Oh, looks very nice. All I'm doing here is examining the brood. Drawing it nicely. Very nice. Shake the bees off, double check. You can see some of these blue specks in here, that's pollen. More than likely from rose bay willow herb. Oh, lovely. Lovely little brood. And some eggs straight to the edge. It's a nice quiet hive. What I mean quiet is the bees aren't racing about the place, which sometimes happens. Again, lots of eggs, more than happy. We done a little maneuver with this hive, and that was the queen wasn't what we expected her to be, so we dispatched her and we introduced another queen in a totally different manner. I won't bore you with the details, but look at that. It has worked absolutely perfectly, unbelievably. So there was a method in her madness, and her madness worked. Now this was for the benefit of the bees, not for the benefit of the beekeeper. I think what happens is once the beekeeper looks for the benefit, out goes the caring aspect of the bees. But we must be so careful. Bees are livestock, and we must look after them very, very well. Now you can see how little smoke I'm using. Or have I used smoke? I don't think so. But lots of blues, greens, lots of different coloured pollens coming in. And we still can't see this elusive queen. One more frame. One more frame. This is stuck.